What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup, where I talk about everything from music to makeup. Speaking of music, oh my god, I am so excited for the J. Cole album this Friday. KOD. I was trying to do a listening party or something, but all my friends have to work. Oh my god. I will be at home and lit jamming out to my love J. Cole. Oh my god. Anyways, for the off topic. I'm a little delirious at this point. I've worked a lot. It's like 9 a.m. I got off work around 7:45 a.m. Worked 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. So I still had my makeup on from last night, and I think it held up pretty good for like 13 hours of work. And I'm like, you know what? I got my Allure box in the mail. I'm just gonna sit down real quick and film it before I take a shower and go to bed. So I got myself a glass of wine. Get yourself a glass of wine, smoke a blunt, do what you gotta do to relax, and then we're just going to open this box. It's a very chill vibe today. That's why I'm wearing the robe. It's been a long couple of nights. Don't become a nurse. Ever. Ever. I promise you, you thank me later. Do not do it. No matter how many good things you hear about it. Yeah, you'll always have a job. You want to know why you'll always have a job? Because it sucks and no one wants it. Anyways. But makeup, on the other hand, I love. So this is going to be for April. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box. It's $15 a month, and you get 5 to 6 deluxe to full size products in it. And this is what it looks like. Same box every month. Let's get into it. I'm excited. They have little quotes on. Well, they did have little quotes on the inside. Guess I didn't have enough time this month. Alright, I love that they give you a pamphlet with information on all the products, and it also has promo codes if you want to buy the products. So this month the theme is in with the new. I'm down with that. Alright, so I'm getting a little excited. Okay, so the first product is this NUDESTIX Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in Jemima. Price is $24. Now, you know what? I think I already have this. I wonder if I got it from them. I definitely have this. But the good thing is I really do like it. It was in my car for like a year, so, you know, maybe I should throw that one out and use this one. So it says it is this pinkish brown crayon is really pretty and really sheer, so it's hard to go overboard. And it's perfect for touching up in dimly lit restaurants after a few glasses of wine, or when I'm using my phone's camera as the world's least reliable mirror. Alright, so I will swatch it. It's very creamy, and it's like moisturizing too. It's like a pinkish nude, very pretty. So this is full size, so that's awesome. Alright, the next product. Where is it? I gotta find it. Wait. Oh, the next product is the original makeup eraser. So, oh my gosh, is it a full size one? I have one of these. It is magic. It is it's amazing. Like, I love the process of putting makeup on, but let me tell you what I don't love. I do not love the process of taking makeup off, especially mascara. Mascara is a pain in my fucking ass. But this takes off all your mascara with just water. I don't know how it does it. I don't know like how the technology works, but it works and it's amazing. Like, okay, the price is $20 and I do have one, but it's getting kind of old. I wanted a new one. How to use it. It says makeup eraser will erase all your makeup with just water. Erases mascara, eyeliner, blush, foundation, and more, including waterproof and smear-proof makeup. Reusable, machine washable, will last 3 to 5 years. Yeah, it's amazing. It's so soft. And here, let me open it. Is this a sample sale? The one I have is like big. It's like an actual washcloth. I don't know whose face this is for, but I mean, I guess it's good just for the eyes. But as you can see, it's very soft and furry, and it is I have like very sensitive eyes and I wear contacts, so I really like using this because it takes it off easily, and then I don't have that extra mascara left on my lashes, because then I wake up and it's all over and it's crust all over in my eyes, and I just hate that. That's the worst part. But that's awesome that I got this. The next, hold on. I know, don't judge me, but I have to put my glasses on. Like, when you wear sunglasses, it tricks your mind into thinking that it's dark, so then your body starts to produce melatonin so that you can go to sleep. So, especially because I work night shift, I need to make sure that I'm like wearing my glasses, or else my mind will stay up and I will not be able to fall asleep. So I did a project on this in nursing school. I apologize. I gotta do what I gotta do. Okay, so the next products, I'm gonna say them together because they go together. It is these RAHUA, I don't know, I don't think I'm saying that right, I doubt it. Classic shampoo and classic conditioner. Okay, price is $34. So these are 22 milliliters each. I have tried this brand before, I believe from Allure, a conditioning mask, and I liked it. So I am down to try their shampoo and conditioner. I really think it's a good brand. Ooh! I feel good. Na, 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 na. I knew that I would know. Yeah, I'm really delusional. I apologize. Okay, so the next product I'm so excited to see because I've been seeing it on the Sephora website and I've been wanting to try it, so I am stoked. Okay, it is this Stellar Brilliant Primer. Okay, so it says, it is 0.24 ounces. I've never been a primer person, which might explain why my concealer doesn't last all day, but I digress. So I enlisted one to try out this shimmering pink guy. I wanted to run into your office this morning to tell you to feel my skin, but I thought that'd be creepy, says Jessica Chia, Allure Senior Beauty Editor. I just kept touching my face after I put this on. My skin has never felt softer. My powder foundation went on super smoothly and melted into my skin, so it looked natural. Other primers can make it cakey or dusty in places. Oh, and she's not done. I have oily skin and this primer really downplayed the shine. Just used it all over, but since the pink tint and shimmer subtly brighten skin, you can also tap it on just your cheekbones for a soft highlight. Okay, price is $42. Ooh, so it's like a highlighting primer or can be used as a liquid highlighter. So, oh, it has kind of like a lip gloss applicator. That's interesting. So here's what it looks like before I blend it out. Ooh, it's like a very velvety, and it looks like it's like really good at covering. Ooh, it kind of feels like the Hourglass primer, like that soft. It does kind of give off a sheen, like nothing too crazy, just a little sheen. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. It really is so soft. Get a little distracted. All right, I think this is the last product. Ooh! All right, it is this KORRES Pomegranate Balancing Cream Gel Moisturizer. First of all, I love this brand. The formula combines hyaluronic acid to hydrate with salicylic acid to reduce breakouts. Oh, hell yeah. And they work together to balance combination skin and treat acne without irritation. That's awesome. So price is $34 and you get 0.68 fluid ounces, which I am so excited about. Let me put it on this one. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It feels like a gel and a cream moisturizer together, if that makes sense. And that's what it's called, a cream gel. But it's like, it's the best of both worlds. It's good for oily skin, which I don't have, but I have been having a lot of breakouts, so I am really excited to try this for that reason, with the like hyaluronic and salicylic acid in it. But it still hydrates you because it has like a cream to it as well. I think KORRES is a great skincare brand, and I'm really excited to try this. Wow, I really, really love this box. I mean, shampoo and conditioner, this is what I'm least excited about. What I am most excited about, I will tell you, is this Stellar Brilliant Primer and the KORRES and my mini makeup eraser. I mean, I really do like this. I've tried it before, so it's not as exciting as the other products that I haven't tried, but it is still a very good product, and it is full size, so, you know, what more can you ask for? So, let me know what you guys think about this box and this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, and please subscribe to my channel, because, you know, this is just a chill place to hang out and talk about makeup and life and loving yourself and doing what makes you happy in life. So hopefully you're following your dreams, and I love you all, and I will see you in my next video.